Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing our classic versus video between the Ipsy Glam bag and of course our Macy's beauty box. Now these two subscriptions are monthly beauty subscriptions that I love to compare because they cost the same. However, Ipsy is going up by $1 going forward, so I'm not sure if I should still compare these or not, but for November, they both cost me the same. So we're still gonna do the versus video for November and check both of these out and see what they're like this month. Of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing either of these subscriptions, I will be posting links down below for you guys. So like I said, Ipsy is going up in price. I think December is the first one where it will be up another $1 now. So Ipsy will be going up to $16 a month versus Macy's is going to remain at $15. So comment down below and let me know if you guys think I should keep doing the versus video or not. I don't want to be doing a head-to-head comparison and then constantly be like, oh, and if Macy's is cheaper, it'll save you $1. I don't know if that's fair. So I'm not sure if I should keep doing it, or maybe you guys won't see it that way. You'll just be like, no, it's entertaining. Let's just keep doing it. I don't really care either way, but just comment down below and give me feedback. I'm probably overthinking this. I mean, it is just $1, right? But this is how my brain works. And then I'm like, somebody please help me. So we're gonna, of course, start with our Ipsy Glam bag. This is for November 2023. Inside of this glam bag, you are gonna receive 5 sample-sized products in 1 glam bag for free. And then, like I said, currently for November, it was $15, but it will be going up to $16 a month. So let me see. I don't even remember, you guys, what the glam bag was for November. Like, I have been unboxing so many advents that I just don't even know. Oh, she's fuzzy. Look at this. This is like a plush toy. It's so soft. So this is our glam bag for November, and this has a gold zipper and a gold handle across it, but then it's got all of these great little tufted pleats on here. This is cute. I mean, it's a really cute bag. Now, I do feel like because of it being fabric, it's probably going to absorb a lot of liquids. It's not going to wear well in that sense, but I do think she's cute. If Barbie received glam bags every month, this is what they would look like. So the first sample inside of my glam bag is from Touch and Soul, and this is the toner. This is called the No Problem Toner, and it is the AHA, BHA, PHA toner. 30 ml or 1 ounce. It is their sample size, and I believe this is what I chose for my Ipsy Glam bag. So that is one perk you get with Ipsy, is that you are able to choose one of your products every month. I went with this one only because I felt like even at a sample, a full ounce is quite a bit of product to use. So I thought this was a great size, even though it is just a sample. Next item inside of my glam bag is a brush. This is from Beauty for Real. And, ooh, I'm just throwing the brush here. This one is a concealer brush. So it's a gorgeous chocolate brown color, and it's a matte handle. And then this is your concealer brush. So it's got a little bit of an angle to it. It's different. It's kind of big, I feel like. I mean, to put down my concealer, I feel like it's really big. But I like that not only does it have a touch of an angle, but it is a little bit flatter on this side. So you could really press in to your skin. I don't know if I would use this or not. It just seems like it's too many bristles for concealing. Usually I go with something smaller to really like conceal small things. I don't know. So maybe this would work for some. It's not my favorite though. Next up, I have a setting powder in here, and this is from Ciate London. This is their Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. So it is just going to be translucent powder. It looks like we have 5 grams or 0.17 ounces on this one. You know, I know it's sample, but I do feel like there's enough powder in here to actually try it out. It's not like ridiculous. You guys, advent calendars have ruined me now, because now when I think of samples, I'm like, okay, as long as we have more than 2 ml of product, it's a good thing. I've been scarred so much by those little itty bitty samples that I'm like, wow, this is huge now. Next item that I have is going to be a lip product. This is from Belle and Argent, and it's Lauren is the name. I feel like this is a lipstick, or maybe it's a chapstick of some sort. Oh, I don't even think it's a lip product. I think it is an eyeshadow stick. So this is our creamy eyeshadow color. That's beautiful. There is a gorgeous shimmer, but I feel like there's a touch of purple to that. You know what I mean? Like it's a deeper purple, but that's pretty. That's so funny though. I'm like, is it a lipstick? Is it a chapstick? And turns out it's eyeshadow. Last item inside of my Ipsy Glam bag this month is from Estate Cosmetics. And this one is their Precision Liquid Liner. And it is in the shade Midnight Blue. So this is an eyeliner that is blue in color. You can kind of see that blue around the band there. This, it might be a full-size product. It's 0.4 mil. If not, it just has really large packaging. One thing I do notice is that I can hold this up in the sunlight over here, and I can tell you the line of product starts here and then goes up. So all of this, I mean, there's a good inch on this packaging that is just empty. I don't know. Estate is not one of my favorite brands. It's not a very expensive brand. I feel like it's just okay. It's kind of like a filler product. So this is probably my least favorite item. Even outside of the brush, I don't think that I really like this. So for $15 this month, I received these 5 samples inside of my bag. And then of course, I received the glam bag in there as well. So that is everything for my Ipsy Glam bag for November. I feel like it's just okay. I don't know. I don't feel like it's the best Ipsy bag I've had. So I don't know. It's just all right. The bag is cute. It's fun, but not super functional. The items are just okay. I don't know. It just feels very mediocre this month. So now we're going to move on to our Macy's beauty box for November. This box is $15 a month with free shipping, and inside you will receive samples. Usually, the thing that makes Macy's better than Ipsy is the fact that they will send you luxury samples. So you do get better brand names. But I have also found that they will also send you fragrance samples, which can be a huge selling point for a lot of people. So anyone that loves fragrances like myself, we typically love this box just because of that. So if you love fragrances, that is definitely one edge that Macy's has over Ipsy, is that you typically will receive some fragrance samples every month. So this month, we have a takeover box. So I didn't even realize this. So every once in a while, Macy's will surprise you, and then every item inside of that box will be from one brand. The advantage of that is you get to try the brand out and see if you like it or not. So I kind of like takeover boxes for that reason. So this is from Bumble and Bumble. And if you purchase the Macy's box for November, then you would receive this takeover box. Now, Bumble and Bumble is a really good hair care company. I like some of their products. Not all of them work for me, but I do know they're very popular and a lot of people do love this brand. So I think it's a good takeover idea. First item that I have in here is a foil packet of their shampoo and conditioner, and it's their invisible oil. These, I hope these count as free samples because, you know, they're foils. I mean, they are free samples, right? Like, I don't want to buy this for $15 a month if I get foil packets. So I will accept this if I have lots of other good items. To be continued on that one. Oh, we have 2 of these. So apparently we have 2 foil packets. Did I get 2 by mistake? Or did everybody get 2 this month? I don't know. My next item that I have is a Bumble and Bumble hair comb. So this is going to be from the Bumble and Bumble brand, and this comb is great if you have really thick or curly hair. This will definitely get through it. I mean, look at those teeth. So if you've got really thick hair, this is perfect. It doesn't say what our free bonus item is this month, but I'm almost wondering if this is the free item, or maybe that was their idea of sending these samples. Let's go with this. Let's just say this month for November, these are the free items that we cut for Macy's. But if I'm gonna compare these foil packets against the Ipsy Glam bag, Ipsy wins in my opinion. Like, seriously, the Glam bag is way better, I think, than the foils. Next item that I have is the Invisible Oil Primer. This is 30 ml or 1 ounce. It is considered a travel size. This is one of their cult favorites. It's a best-selling product and it will help to tame hair. It states that you're going to spray this onto dry hair and then just comb it through, and then you're able to style it. So it will cut down on any frizziness that you have and work as a styling product. We also have the Dry Spun Texture Spray. So this is a travel size at 25 ml, just under an ounce, and you're able to spritz this onto hair and give you texture and lift. Texturizers are great if you want volume because you can hold it up, spritz a little, then lower your hair down, spritz some more. And what it does is it creates texture for your hair to latch onto. So you can almost build your hair up, and that way it will have this more volume for your hair then. So I love texturizers. The only thing is you're gonna feel that texture in your hair. So don't go too crazy with this. Otherwise it does start to feel gritty and a little bit sticky. My next item that I have is their Heat Shield. This is a thermal protection mist. So if you use heat on your hair, I've said this forever, you guys, you have to have a thermal protectant. So it doesn't have to be this brand, but use something. If you're using a blow dryer or a curling iron or a crimper or a flat iron, I don't care what it is. If you use heat, you need to have the protection. So this will help to protect your hair up to 450 degrees. You'll just spritz this on when it's damp and then go about your business. It helps to protect your hair from that intense heat. Last item that I have is their Bond Building Repair Treatment. It is a bond building complex. So if you have any damaged hair, this will help to do some repair work to your hair. So that is everything inside of our Macy's beauty box for November. I don't know how I feel about this one, you guys. Like, I should be excited because it is Bumble and Bumble, but yet I also feel kind of meh again. Does that make sense? Like, does anybody else feel this way? Like, I don't feel like I lost money at $15. Like, I do feel like I got a great brand out of the deal. I do feel like there's several items in here, but it's just kind of a meh box this month. Both of them were kind of meh. Now, for Macy's, this has the least amount of products in it compared to usual. So we have 5 products in here. There's 4 different hair products plus the comb. I am counting the 2 foil packets as the free item for this month. Normally, we receive more than 5 items a month, so it is low for Macy's, even on that note. But head to head, I feel like they're both just kind of boring this month. Like, I hate to say it, but I just feel kind of bored. I'm like, wow, this is a little bit forgettable. I don't know that I will remember these 2 a month from now. Because Macy's is usually a winner every single month and you get the fragrances. Oh, we didn't get the fragrances. Where are the fragrances this month? It's probably because Bumble and Bumble doesn't make any, but still, I miss that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think this is my month for these boxes. So with Macy's, the fact that normally it's always a winner every month and I'm so excited, I feel more disappointed with them than I do Ipsy. Ipsy has disappointed me in the past, so I'm kind of used to it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I know that sounds terrible, but like you get used to it and you're like, yeah, this is Ipsy we're talking about. But Macy's, I have at a higher standard just because they tend to do really well every single month. So I do feel a little bit more let down with them this month just because of that. But all in all, I don't feel like either of them are that great of months. They're just kind of average. But comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. We can chit chat about it and see if there is a winner this month or not. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!